Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. You see, my friends, life can be a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs. And sometimes all we need is that little push to begin our week with enthusiasm and determination. Every week, my friends, is a fresh start, a new beginning, an opportunity to set the wheels in motion. Starting a week with a positive mindset, my friends, helps us to overcome any challenges and obstacles that we may encounter during the week. So a positive start not only affect our productivity and our well-being, it also uplifts people around us, be it our loved ones or colleagues. So in closing, my friends, I'm wishing each and everyone out there that each day in this week brings you renewed strength, brighter times, and a healthy and happier you. Yeah, man. A word to the wise. Have a blessed Monday, everyone.